Hey vloggy vlog, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Anna Nicole and welcome to another HALLOWEEK. I literally have no idea what day these are going up or like what order, so I never say the day, but welcome to another HALLOWEEK. Oh, that light is so irritating. Anyways, yeah, so this one will be a fall nighttime whatever in my life. And yeah, I just figured I would take you guys along with me throughout my night. I just got off of work. Actually, it is 7:30 and I just got off of work, and well, I really need to go run some errands really quickly. Well, by run errands I need to go get the boxes so that I can mail off the boo baskets that you all saw me make in the very first HALLOWEEK. Now I need to go get the boxes so that I can finally mail those off tomorrow morning. And yeah, I will do that, and then I will head home and get my nighttime wind down routine going. So if that's something you're interested, that's so much better. So if that's something you're interested in, stay tuned and let's get into the video. All right, it's a lot later now. I just got home and I've been watching TikToks. I'm not even going to lie, but that's what I typically do. Anyway, well, I need to clean my apartment right now, and my bed is made up, which is great. But yes, I need to clean my apartment. I have the clothes that I tried on for my try on haul. I have the boo baskets that I need to send off or put in the boxes. I also have some dishes that I need to wash and put up, and I need to make some dinner and take my shower and all that stuff. But yes, I should also start some like laundry or whatever. But yeah, so I don't really know what I want to do first. Actually, I really don't want to do any of this first. All right, actually I want to take my shower because I can't keep looking at myself like this. All right, I am fresh and out of the shower, and the worst part about these videos is that I always take my shower so early and then I feel like laying down, going to bed. But no, I actually still have to make dinner and I still need to clean up. So I'm not going to pack these boo baskets in these boxes because I kind of want cuter boxes. I'm sorry. I think I'm just going to go to the post office and like pay for cuter boxes instead of these boxes and just save those for something else. But I want these to go in cuter boxes. So I will just worry about that later. But in the meantime, I'm going to time lapse this part so that I can kind of straighten my apartment up. It's kind of annoying me, and I just know it's going to get worse because every time I film, my apartment gets messy. And so since I'm uploading and filming every single day, it's bound to get worse and worse and worse. So I'm trying to like keep it clean as much as possible every single day. All right, it looks a little better. I'm taking a break, and I realized I should be putting on my face mask right now. So I actually made my own face mask based on like some stuff I read online, and I was trying to clear up my skin, and guys, it actually worked. I'm very happy. I'm going to try it for a little bit longer. I've been wearing it for about a week now, not even, maybe like 3-4 days. And here's a before photo. And then here's also the after. I'm very shook because my dark spots are definitely going away. I burned my skin. Anyways, my skin is a whole story time and like video. If you guys are interested in that, I can show you what I did or what I'm doing to clear it, but I kind of want to make sure it like completely works first. But anyways, yes, so it's looking a lot better, and I think I'm going to put that face mask on because I typically leave it on, let it get hard. Yeah, I leave it on, let it get hard, and then I rinse it off and actually put some moisturizer on. So that's what I'm about to do. It looks so gross, but it works. So yeah, my skin has been clearing up so much and so fast that I'm not even going to complain about it. But yes, this will get hard, and then I'll rinse it off and put some moisturizer on. But while this gets hard or whatever, I'm going to, what am I doing? Oh, I'm going to make myself some dinner. While I wait for my salad or for the eggs to boil and my wings to bake, yeah, I typically either get some work done or prepare for the work that I have to do in the morning or, you know, a little bit later. And I got some packages in the mail. If you are keeping up with my video, I got some packages in the mail, so I need to make videos for those. And I just need to figure out what exactly they want, and yeah, that's what I'm doing now. And these are all a bunch of emails that I need to check up on. As you can see, I am pretty behind. Sometimes I just get overwhelmed. Like, I get so many emails and messages and stuff, and especially like with HALLOWEEK, I knew HALLOWEEK was coming up, so I kind of got like overwhelmed pre-HALLOWEEK, like mentally preparing for HALLOWEEK, and then now I'm just like overwhelmed as I'm in HALLOWEEK, but I've already started, so I can't stop now. I'm not a quitter, so yeah, so right now I'm just going through my emails and responding to people. Okay, I am done with like the emails and all that stuff, but I think I'm going to eat a snack for dinner because that is taking entirely too long. I just don't know what I want. So then I have my snacks. I'm about to watch some Netflix and enjoy my night. I don't know what's taking my food so long to heat up, but I really wish it would hurry up because I've been doing a great job going to bed earlier recently just so I can wake up earlier. But more recently, I've been waking up and editing because of HALLOWEEK. But I used to wake up and go to the gym, but now I know I have to wake up early tomorrow and film the next day's video in the morning and then probably edit it tomorrow afternoon. Yeah, so it's the whole process of filming and editing. This is great, like a great reminder of what Vlogmas will feel like. Because sometimes I forget. Sometimes I think it's going to be super easy, and sometimes it is, depending on if the videos like I have planned work out, then it could be really easy. But so I am about to watch, I don't really know what I'm about to watch on Netflix. I could watch the 3rd season of Love is Blind because that just came out. Sounds like my wings are ready. Okay, now I'm about to eat my food and watch my show. I'm just popping in to say, first off, I grabbed a blanket. Also, I'm still watching Love is Blind. It's very good, by the way. If you do not watch the show, I definitely recommend it. It's so good. And as you can see, the face mask is drying up. I'm like cracking it, moving my face around, but it's definitely drying up, getting hard or whatever. So it's pretty much time for me to rinse this off. But right now, I'm also editing a HALLOWEEK video. Also, if you are not caught up on my videos, if this is the first HALLOWEEK video you're watching, hello. I've been uploading all this week. Where have you been? Definitely check out those videos. And yeah, let me know what you think. Stay tuned for all of my videos, honestly. Also, I never say this, but hit the notification bell because I upload pretty consistently, like 90, I would give myself like a 96% with consistency. I upload pretty consistently and I work very hard on my videos. So if you like what you see, hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, follow me on Instagram, all of that. But yeah, so right now I am actually editing for the next HALLOWEEK video, and yeah, I'm going to continue to watch my show. I just wanted to pop in and say something. Okay, I rinsed off the face mask and I also already did the humidifier and all of that stuff. So now I'm about to put on my moisturizer and officially wind down for bed. So even though I took out a lot of steps in my nighttime routine, it feels like I still have so many. Okay, so I also feel like my brows and my lashes are so much longer at this point, and I've been using this Lash Food by, who is this? I don't know. It's just Lash Food. This is what the package looks like. And the lady I got it from Ulta, and the lady recommended this one, and I can't remember. It starts with a G, but oh, Grande Lashes. That's one everyone uses. That one I've heard amazing reviews about, but it's like double the price. So I just got this one, and I've already seen great results. So I think I'm going to start with my moisturizer. And again, I'll make a video on what exactly I use. But yes, moisturizer first. And most recently, I've been getting into adding a face cream on top of my moisturizer just because my moisturizer is very cooling and so is the face cream. So it just feels so good on my skin. And I literally just rub it in. And actually, I go to bed with this face cream on. And last but not least, this looks so crazy. But anyway, and last but not least, the Clean and Clear on my dark spots. And that should only take a second. I literally just put it on here. And typically I'm normally up late enough for it to dry a little bit before I go to bed, so I can just go to bed with this just sitting on my face like this. And I typically take my vitamins before I go to bed, so definitely vitamin D. And I was taking biotin very consistently and then I just stopped, but I think I'm going to start back again. So taking vitamin D, biotin, and vitamin C today. I actually really love taking vitamins. Something else that's new for me is the liquid chlorophyll that I've been taking. This isn't even the brand that they talk that is like promoted on TikTok, but I saw it on TikTok and these are, I guess, some of the benefits. I just recently started taking it, so I don't really know if it actually works, but I will let you guys know. But I also just think it's very aesthetic when it goes into the cup. Like, so gorgeous. Cheers. But yes, now I'm just about to finish watching the episode of Love is Blind that I'm on right now, which is episode 2. Then I'm going to finish editing this video that you're watching right now and upload it for you guys. But yeah, so that is actually going to conclude this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you all right back here next time with another video. Bye, guys.